Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make traditional baklava. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including fresh phyllo dough, a generous amount of nuts, and clarified butter. Next, we'll prepare a fragrant, simple syrup, allowing it to cool completely before assembly. Finally, a quick toast of your chosen nuts will bring out their best flavor, setting the stage for a truly authentic dessert. Now let's get to the heart of baklava, the layering. Carefully brush each delicate phyllo sheet with plenty of melted clarified butter. This creates that signature crispness. Then evenly spread your finely chopped nuts between sections of phyllo. Repeat this process, building up many thin layers. Before baking, gently score the top layers into your desired diamond or square shapes, ensuring even syrup distribution later. Hey everyone, if you're finding this baklava guide helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. It's a classic for a reason, and it'll make your car smell as good as this baklava tastes. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once assembled and scored, bake your baklava in a preheated oven until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color and a wonderfully crisp texture. The aroma filling your kitchen will be incredible. Immediately after removing it from the oven, generously pour the completely cooled simple syrup over the hot baklava. This temperature difference is key for absorption. Let it rest for several hours or even overnight to fully soak up the sweet goodness.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.